Hello all, in this tutorial we are discussing about one small operator which is very useful in Python. That is nothing but a ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. So what is a ternary operator? Okay, ternary operator is a special operator available in Python. With that, okay, with this ternary operator we can evaluate something based on a condition. Okay, we can evaluate some value based on a particular condition. Okay, in simple words, like with this okay, with the help of a ternary operator we can apply if condition code. Okay, whatever the code that we are writing with the help of if condition and else block, so all that code we can write in just one line by using this special operator called as ternary operator. Okay, so for ternary operator we have a specific syntax. Okay, specific syntax also we have. That syntax we will see, and then we will apply the same syntax with for one or two examples, and then we will evaluate. Okay, ternary operator, how this will work means, in ternary operator definitely we will have one if condition. Okay, we will have one if condition. If the if condition got satisfied, okay, suppose if the if condition got satisfied, the value present, the value present left side of the if condition will be the output. Okay, the value present at the left side of the if condition will be my output. If the if condition fail, okay, if the if condition fail, the value present after else block will be my output. Okay, the value present after else block will be my output. So in this way we can apply ternary operator in Python. Let us see how we can apply this ternary operator in ideally with one or two examples. Okay, yeah, let us move to ideally. Now we will take two arguments. Okay, two values we'll take a 10, a value as 10 and b value as something like 20. Now let us apply the ternary operator. Okay, now ternary operator I am applying. So 30. Okay, 30 is the value which I am taking before. Okay, 30 is the value which I am taking before the if condition. So 30 if condition is a greater than b. Okay, a greater than b, else b. So in this case what happening, okay, we are checking a condition called as a greater than b, that is nothing but a 10 greater than 20. So in this case it is what? False. So false means what will be my output? Okay, what will be my output? Else something like we will put 40. So in this case what will be my output? The value which is present after else block. Okay, the value which is present after else block will be my output. So in this case it will be 40. So my value will be 40. Okay, value will be 40. Now let us apply this ternary operator to find the to find the maximum value between two numbers. Okay, maximum value between two numbers. So I'll take two numbers. One is x comma, okay, those are x comma y. X value is 999 and okay, or else x value is 888 and the y value is something called 999. Okay, x value is 888 and y value is 999. Let us see how we can take that. Okay, now we are finding the max value between, okay, we are finding the max value between these two. Okay, max value. So what is the syntax for the ternary operator? Okay, x if x greater than y. That means if this if this condition got satisfied, then x will be my output. Okay, again if this condition doesn't satisfied, okay, if this condition doesn't satisfied, what is the value present after else block will be my output. Okay, so in this case my condition will be x greater than y. So x value is 888 greater than 999. So in this condition it is okay, in this condition it is returning false only. Okay, it is returning false. So false means what will be executed? Else block will be executed. That means y will be my output. So okay, max value should hold the value of 5. So 999. So in this way we can find out the maximum value. Okay, maximum values between two values in just one line. Okay, with the help of this ternary operator we can find the maximum value between two numbers in just one line. Now in the same way we will try to find the minimum value also. Okay, we will try to find the minimum value. Again the variable is something like min value. Now x if x less than y, else y. Okay, x if x less than y, else y. Now what is my condition? X less than y. X value is 888, y value is 999. So 888 less than 999. So obviously this condition is true. So what will be my output? X will be my output. So in this case, what is the output? 888 will be my output. Okay, min value called 888 will be my output. Okay, so in this way we can find the minimum value between two numbers with the help of ternary operator. I hope all of you understand this ternary operator and its usage. Thank you so much. Bye.